Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Kent Elegant electric glass kettle. This is a 1.8 liter glass kettle and it runs on a power of 2000 watt. It comes with high borosilicate glass body for hygiene, automatically switches off after boiling and has LED switch on mode. It also protects from dry boiling, which is very important. Do we have any more information? This is more or less what we have. There's some salient features noted over here. For instance, it comes with a 360-degree cordless rotation. It runs on 2000 watts of power, 1.8 liter capacity as mentioned earlier, has glass body, protection against overheating and dry boiling, LED indicator, auto switch off and heating element with stainless steel cover. Now let's open this box and take a look at the kettle, the Kent Elegant electric glass kettle. So this is what you find inside the box containing the Kent Elegant electric glass kettle. We have a instruction manual over here, which more or less the same information as you find on the box. But you should read this at least once. They will have a lot of safety information as well. So this is the base and this is where you place the kettle basically when you want to heat the water and when you want to take it off basically. It's that simple. And finally we have the kettle itself. This is the Kent Elegant electric water kettle. This is made out of borosil. This is glass, by the way. This is borosil glass, which makes it extremely resistant to temperature. So this is the button that you use to lift this particular lid and fill this particular jar with water. And the auto on off switch is right here. So you switch it on when you want to heat water, and once water gets heated, it switches off automatically. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Kent Elegant electric glass kettle. Thank you for watching.